forget it.
Oh yeah, fractal Bitcoin. Welcome to today's Bitcoin news video. Right now, the Bitcoin price is 98,900, and this is after yesterday we topped out at 104,000. Early today, late last night, depending on where you were, that's when we broke 100K. We made a new all-time high of 104,000, but now we're down into the 98K range. But these are daily candles you're looking at, and today's daily candle is still green, barely. But yeah, it's a momentous occasion. We were live streaming. It was awesome. Yeah, and it's 100K no matter how you measure it. This is very interesting. This orange one is a log scale chart, and the linear scale is this one. It's the same chart, but just, shown differently. And I like to look at log scale, but I usually look at linear scale, but it doesn't matter. It just depends on how you want to look. Like if you want to look at longer time frames, you have to look at log scale, because look on linear scale from 2010 to 2016. It's like basically a flat line. So that doesn't really help. But anyway, only 896,000 more to go until 1 million. Let's go. Excuse me. My throat is still messed up. Yeah, the breakout is in full swing. You know what's coming next. The target is around 130K, maybe even 140K, but that's just the beginning. That's the initial target. This bull run is going to go on for another 10 to 12 months, and we're going to go way, way, way higher. Way above 200, 300. We don't know where we're going to stop. 500K. Many people are saying $1 million next year. And Marty Bent just wants to say, thanks to all of the obnoxious, hysterical, and epically wrong no-coiners out there. You made this feel a lot more gratifying, referencing the 100K. You will all be remembered for trying to hold back humanity. Yeah, those are the people who are trying to hold back Bitcoin. You're holding back humanity. And yeah, here's this guy here. Bitcoin dropped back below 100,000. Told you it was a scam. So glad I didn't buy that crap at 16K. Yeah, so glad too. And yeah, don't forget, when Bitcoin is $100,000 for one Bitcoin, that means that it's 1,000 sats for $1. So last night and early today, for $1 US, you can only get 973 sats. Or now it's above 1,000, a little bit above 1,000. But this is also interesting because many people are saying that eventually 1 sat is going to be worth $1. So that's just insane. But yeah, gratitude. Thank you to Satoshi Nakamoto. Thank you, Hal Finney, Adam Back, Laszlo, Ross Ulbricht, Cypherpunks, hodlers, miners, developers, node runners. Thank you all. Thank you to everyone who made Bitcoin go from a dream to a global economic juggernaut. Seriously, this is like the greatest work for humanity ever done. So we always need to have gratitude for that. So thanks to everybody, including you, if you're involved. Are you still buying at these prices? Most still do not get it. We stack forever. That's right. We buy the tops all the time. Every top we're buying. We buy the bottoms too, but we buy the tops. And here's Gary Leland, who runs BitBlock Boom. That's a great conference in Dallas. He posts this today. Just made my first purchase of Bitcoin at over 100K. I have been buying at the high for a long time, and it has turned out to be a good move so far. So why stop now? Yeah, as long as you hold on to it, you're good. You're good. That's it. And yeah, here are the real Bitcoiners. 99.9K, laser eyes, focused. 100K, woo! And then as soon 100.1K, back to laser eyes, right? Yeah, like we celebrate, we have fun, but we also never take our eye off the big goal, right? Which is to basically free humanity and make Bitcoin the free and open monetary system and store of value for the entire earth. And not, outside the purview of governments. That'd be great. Oh, this is great. New. Russia's President Vladimir Putin says nobody can ban Bitcoin and it will continue to develop. U.S. President Trump wants America to embrace Bitcoin and develop innovation there. The Bitcoin space race has begun. Right? This is starting right now. Do not overlook this. This is literally like the space race, but it's even more important. It's way more important. My God. Yeah, and Dennis Porter says, next week there will be an announcement that will fundamentally shift the dialogue around Bitcoin. No one is ready for what's coming. One of the largest economies in the world is poised to win with Bitcoin. 2 huge mainstream outlets already agreed to cover it. It's that big. Yeah, and from what I read about this guy, he's not just blowing smoke. He means this. So let's see. It's probably it's obviously a big country, right? He says one of the largest economies in the world is poised to win with Bitcoin. Who could it be? Anyway, subscribe to the channel because that's what Bitcoiners do. They love fractal Bitcoin. I'm kidding. You don't have to subscribe if you don't want to, but please subscribe. And let's get into some US dollar government nonsense for context because Bitcoin solves these issues. All right, here's Jack Spirko, legend, posting, while people in North Carolina are still homeless, this sad sack of S sends $1 billion of your dollars to Africa. No matter how much you hate your government, it is not enough. What a total sack of S. Displaced by drought? What about the Americans displaced by floods? Yeah, this just shows you how government is absolutely corrupt. These people just do whatever they want. And they're laundering this money too. Whatever money they give overseas, a lot of it funnels back to them. That's the only reason they're giving it. Yeah, and this is great. Hunter Biden is a free man. Ed Snowden is a wanted man living in Russia, exiled from the USA for 11 years so far. This is America. Yeah, this is how stupid America is. You have one guy who's into freedom and transparency and the power of the people and control, stopping the government from surveilling everything and using it against people. And then you got another crack addict loser who broke many, many laws. And now that's it. He got pardoned. He's a free man. That's the stupidity of government. And here Donald Trump officially nominates pro-Bitcoin and pro-crypto Paul Atkins as the next SEC chair. Yeah, so, I don't have to read it, but apparently Paul Atkins is Bitcoin and crypto friendly. And he's going to be the new SEC chair. So, I don't think there should be an SEC. So I don't care about this. It is what it is. If you're going to have someone there, it's better that they're pro Bitcoin, but why do we have to why do we have to have anybody? Hello? Why don't we just all use Bitcoin? We don't need a government involved. We don't need this government involved. We don't need any government involved. Jeez. Yeah, and here's Trump. This is weird, actually. This is weird. Trump celebrates Bitcoin hitting 100,000. He posts, I don't even know where he posts. Is it Truth Social? I don't know. I don't care. Congratulations, Bitcoiners. $100,000. You're welcome. Together we will make America great again. Okay, first of all, you're welcome? What the heck does that mean? Dude, please. Please. That's just ridiculous hubris. Yeah. What do you mean you're welcome? You didn't give this to us, Donald Trump. You didn't do anything. You're busy selling your S coin. So don't say you're welcome. Terrible. Oh yeah, we have reached extreme levels of cope. Look at this tweet by Peter Schiff. It's ironic that Bitcoin only hit $100,000 by buying off politicians. What? And getting in bed with the government. What? Without expected government intervention, this milestone never would have been hit. What couldn't be done in a free market was achieved through the cohesive power of the state. So Peter Schiff is a retard, okay? You can clip that, ship that. This guy's a complete idiot when it comes to Bitcoin. He's people say, oh, he's smart when it comes to finance and gold, whatever. No, he's not. He's an idiot. If he doesn't see Bitcoin yet, and he's going to post garbage like this, he's a loser. He's an idiot. First of all, Bitcoin didn't buy off politicians, loser. No one, there's no CEO of Bitcoin. There's no one to pay or buy off or anything. It's nothing. It's code, loser. And getting in bed with government? No, you know what it is? The government is getting in bed with Bitcoin. Get it right, stupid. And it's not government intervention. The government is playing into Bitcoin's hands. Stupid. This guy's a retard, man. Absolute retard. And here's a note to all journalists who have participated in misleading reporting about Bitcoin, whether due to incompetence and or malice, have fun staying poor. Yeah. I second that motion. Have fun staying poor. And this is weird news today. I don't know why this is coming out. U.S. officials urge Americans to use encrypted messaging apps. This week, the FBI and the U.S. Cybersecurity Infrastructure Security Agency, CISA, which also shouldn't exist, along with partner agencies from New Zealand, Australia, and Canada, which are all ridiculous, woke, authoritarian garbage countries, began promoting the use of end-to-end encrypted communications. Yeah, which means they're probably trying to get you onto their spyware, because a lot of these don't even like the truly encrypted messaging apps like SimpleX, right? Anyway, take it daily. Guys, Bitcoin and NOSTR, ooh, they go together so well. Follow Fractal Bitcoin on NOSTR. Say hi. And this is Mount Rainier casting a shadow during the early morning sunrise. Look at this picture. Holy cow. Mount Rainier casting a shadow at sunrise? Man, that is epic. And this is the Bitcoin Amigos channel. Guys, follow this channel or subscribe to this channel on YouTube. And we're going to do our first live stream tomorrow, which is Friday, December 6th at 4 p.m. Eastern. Me, Jerry Loves Freedom, and Jor from 88 Sats Radio. We are the Bitcoin Amigos, but you are also a Bitcoin Amigo. We got a bunch of songs. It's going to be great. It's going to be a great Bitcoin show. We would really appreciate your support. It's just everything's going great with that. And this is our website, fractalbitcoin.com. Everything we do is here, including this donate page if you want to support me and the show, because that's how I survive. That's how we survive. Well, really, it's only me so far until I get massively popular, which is never going to happen. But look, thanks for being here today. Subscribe to the channel. I appreciate being on this journey with you. We are literally remaking the world with Bitcoin. Well, it's us and Bitcoin together remaking the entire world. It's beautiful. It's glorious. It's unstoppable. And again, much gratitude to everyone in the Bitcoin space who came before us and pushed everything forward for the last almost 16 years now. Very much gratitude, much gratitude and love in the Bitcoin space. I'm glad you're here, and I'll see you tomorrow for another Bitcoin news video. All right, bye.